Afghan English Academy.
Pick up Aria. Why is not she answering?
Pick up area اوچت کا area. Why is not she answering? هغه ولی جواب نه راکوي.
It never happened before. Something is fishy.
It never happened before. دا هیڅ کله هم داسې مخکې نه واقع شوي. Something is fishy. یو څه ګډوډ دی. Fishy ویل کېږي ګډوډ ته.
I have to go Aria's home. I hope she is fine.
I have to go Aria's home. زه باید د ایریا کور ته لاړ شم. I hope she is fine. زه امید لرم چې هغه به ټیک وي.
Aria. It's me, Tony. Open the door.
Aria, it's me, Tony. دا زه یم Tony. Open the door. مهرباني وکړه دروازه خلاصه کړه.
Aria. Can you hear me?
Aria, can you hear me? آیا ته کولی شې چې ما واورې؟
It's strange. The door is open.
It's strange. دا خو بالکل عجیبه ده. Strange ویل کېږي عجیب ته. The door is open. دروازه خلاصه ده.
No. Aria. My love.
No, Aria. نه Aria. My love زما مینې.
Aria. Open your eyes. Who killed you? Aria, you can't leave me.
Aria, open your eyes. مهرباني وکړه سترګې دې خلاصې کړه. Who killed you? ته چا ووژلې؟ Aria, you can't leave me. ته نشې کولی چې ما پرېږدې. Leave ویل کېږي پرېښودلو ته.
Anna speaking from police station. How can I help you?
Anna is speaking from the police station. Anna د police station څخه خبرې کوي. How can I help you? څنګه کولی شم چې ستاسو کومک وکړم؟
What? Have you seen that killer? I am sending my team there.
What, sir? Have you seen that killer? آیا تا هغه وژونکی ولیده؟ Killer ویل کېږي وژونکي ته. I am sending my team there. زه خپل ټیم هلته درلیږم.
Hands up, killer.
Hands up, killer. لاسونه دې اوچت کا وژونکیه.
What are you saying?
What are you saying? ته څه وایې؟
Keep quiet. You have killed so many girls. Your game is over.
Keep quiet. خاموشه سه. You have killed so many girls. تا ډېر زیات جنکیانې وژلې دي. Your game is over. ستا ګیم نور ختم شو.
I did not kill her. She was my love.
I did not kill her. ما هغه نه ده وژلې. She was my love. هغه زما مینه وه.
You are under arrest.
You are under arrest. تو په حراست کې یې.
You have got the wrong guy. I am not a killer.
You have got the wrong guy. تاسو غلط حالت نیولی دی. I am not a killer. زه وژونکی نه یم.
Police will investigate. You just keep quiet.
Police will investigate. Police به څارنه یعنې څېړنه به وکړي. Investigate ویل کېږي څارنه کول څېړنه کول. You just keep quiet. ته باید اوس خاموشه شي.
Somebody had killed her before.
Somebody had killed her before. یو چا هغه وژلې وه مخکې ده.
Please call my friends. They know me very well.
Please call my friends. مهرباني وکړه زما ملګرو ته زنګ ووهه. They know me very well. دوی ما ښه پېژني.
Well, I can't kill someone.
I can't kill someone. زه نشم کولی چې یو څوک ووژنم.
We will find out what's the truth.
We will find out. موږ به پیدا کړو what's the truth چې رښتیا څه دي.
Hello, Ashley. Is everything all right?
Hello, Ashley. سلام Ashley. Is everything all right? آیا هر څه ټیک دي؟
Can you please come outside? We are waiting for you in the car.
Can you please come outside? آیا ته کولی شې په مهرباني سره بهر راشې. outside ویل کېږي بهر ته. We are waiting for you in the car. موږ ستا لپاره په موټر کې انتظار کوو.
What's the matter? What happened?
What's the matter څه مسله ده matter ویل کېږي مسلې ته what happened څه واقع شول
Please come outside. We will tell you everything.
Please come outside مهرباني وکړه بهر راشه we will tell you everything موږ به تا ته هر څه ووایو
Okay, I am coming.
Okay ټیک ده I am coming زه درځمه
What's going on, guys? Why are you so upset?
What's going on guys څه روان دي جنکیانو Why are you so upset تاسو ول دومره خفه یا upset ویل کېږي خفه
We have to go to the police station.
We have to go to the police station موږ باید police station ته لاړ شو
Why? Did you do something?
Why ولې Did you do something آیا تاسو یو څه وکړل
Arya is no more. That killer killed her.
Arya is no more Arya نور نشته یعنی مړه شوله سیده دی مطلب دی That killer killed her هغه وژونکي هغه ووژله
This cannot be happening. How is this possible?
This cannot be happening دا نشي واقع کېدلی How is this possible دا څنګه ممکن دی Possible ویل کېږي ممکن ته
Police called us. They have caught the killer.
Police called us Police موږ ته زنګ وهلی و They have caught the killer هغوی هغه وژونکی نیولی دی
Who is that? He killed our best friend. I will not forgive him.
Who is that هغه څوک دی He killed our best friend هغه زموږ تر ټولو ښه ملګري ووژله I will not forgive him زه به هغه معاف نه کړمه Forgive ویل کېږي معاف کولو ته
We don't know. We have to go to the police station and find out the truth.
We don't know موږ نه پوهیږو We have to go to the police station موږ باید police station ته لاړ شو and find out the truth او رښتیا پیدا کړو چې رښتیا څه دی Truth ویل کېږي رښتیا ته
Let's go.
Let's go راځئ چې لاړ شو
Who is that killer?
Who is that killer هغه وژونکی څوک ده
When we reached Arya's home, he was there.
When we reached Aria's home کله چې موږ د ایریا کور ته ورسېدلو He was there هغه هلته و
He killed so many girls.
He killed so many girls هغه ډېر زیاتې جنکیانې وژلې دي
He said he did not kill Arya. He knows all of you.
He said هغه وویلې He did not kill Arya چې هغه ایریا نه ده وژلې He knows all of you هغه تاسو ټول پیژني
What? He knows us. How is this possible?
What so? He knows us هغه موږ پیژني How is this possible دا څنګه ممکن دی
We want to see his face. Where is he?
We want to see his face موږ غواړو چې د هغه مخ ووینو Where is he هغه چیرته ده
He is in the lockup. He knows all of you. That's why I called you.
He is in the lockup هغه په لوکاپ کې نه په جیل کې ده He knows all of you هغه تاسو ټول پیژني That's why I called you نو ځکه ما تاسو زنګ ووهو
We want to see him right
We want to see him right now موږ غواړو چې هغه همدا اوس ووینو
now. Okay, follow
Okay follow me صحیح دی ما فالو کړئ
me. He is the
killer هغه وژونکی دی
killer.
Tony, did you kill
Tony did you kill Arya آیا تا ایریا وژله
Arya? I can't believe it. You can't kill
I can't believe it زه یقین نشم کولای believe ویل کېږي یقین کولو ته You can't kill someone ته نشي کولای چې یو څوک ووژنې
someone.
This is
impossible دا خو غیر ناممکنه ده impossible ویل کېږي ناممکن ته
impossible.
Guys, you have to believe me. I did not kill.
Guys you have to believe me تاسو باید ما باندې یقین وکړئ I did not kill Arya my Arya نه ده وژلې
Arya. She was my love. I can't.
She was my love هغه زما مینه وه I can't kill her زه هغه نشم وژلی
Kill her.
This is
so strange دا ډېر عجیبه ده strange ویل کېږي عجیب ته
strange.
What were you doing dear تا هلته څه کوله
Doing there?
Arya was not answering my calls. I was so worried
Arya was not answering my calls. Arya زما زنګونو ته جواب نه راکوه. I was so worried about her. زه د هغې باره کې ډېره پریشانه شومه.
about her. I went to her home
I went to her home. زه د هغې کور ته لاړم to check her چې هغه وګورم.
to check her. She was on the Somebody killed her with a knife.
She was on the floor. هغه په فرش باندې و باندې پرته و فرش باندې. فلور ویل کېږي فرش ته. Somebody killed her with a knife. یو چا هغه وژلې وه په چاقو سره. نایف ویل کېږي چاقو ته.
Nobody was there except you. You killed her.
Nobody was there except you. هلته هیڅوک هم نه ول ستا نه بغیر. You killed her. ته هغه ووژله.
I did not kill her. How did you find out about her murder?
I did not kill her. ما هغه نه ده وژلې. How did you find out about her murder? تا څنګه هغه د مطلب تا څنګه د مرډر باره کې خبرتیا ترلاسه کړه؟
We received a phone call from that neighborhood.
We received a phone call. موږ یو call receive کو یا ترلاسه کړ from that neighborhood د هغه گاوند څخه.
Somebody heard Arya's screams.
Somebody heard یو چا واوریدل Arya scream د Arya چغې screams ویل کېږي چغو ته.
Who was he? You should call him.
Who was he? هغه څوک دی یعنی څوک و هغه. You should call him. ته باید هغه ته زنګ ووهې.
Yes. You should call him. Our Tony can't kill someone.
Yes, ho. You should call him. تاسو باید هغه ته زنګ ووهیا. Our Tony can't kill someone. زمونږ ټوني نشي کولی چې یو څوک ووژني.
We know Tony very well. We are best friends.
We know Tony very well. مونږ ټوني ښه پیژنو. We are best friends. مونږ ښه ملګري یو.
You should arrest a real killer.
You should arrest a real killer. تاسو باید په حراست کې ونیسئ یو حقیقي وژونکی.
We will investigate everything. If he is innocent, we will bail him.
We will investigate everything. موږ به هر څه څارنه وکړو د هر څه. investigate ویل کېږي څارنه کول. If he is innocent که چېرته هغه بېګناه وي. innocent ویل کېږي بېګناه ته. Then we will bail him. موږ به بیا هغه پرېږدو.
Hello, officer.
Yes, David. Did you find that person who called us?
Yes, David. Did you find that person who called us? آیا تا هغه شخص پیدا کړ چا چې موږ ته زنګ وهلی و؟
No. He called us from the phone booth. We could not find him.
No, he called us from the phone booth. هغه موږ ته زنګ وهلی و له فون بوت څخه. فون بوت مطلب هغه موبایل ته ویل کېږي چې بهر د پبلیک لپاره وي، صرف د خلکو لپاره وي، په یو کوټه کې دننه هغه ته فون بوت ویل کېږي. We could not find him. موږ نشو کولی چې هغه پیدا کړو.
You see, I did not kill Arya. That murder called you.
You see, ته پوه شولې. I did not kill Arya. my Arya نه ده وژلې. That murder called you. هغه وژونکي تا ته زنګ وهلی و.
He wanted to trap me. You should find that killer.
He wanted to trap me. هغه غوښتل چې ما په جال کې ونیسي. trap ویل کېږي یو څوک په جال کې نیوله. You should find that killer. تاسو باید هغه وژونکی پیدا کړئ.
Yes, officer. Our Tony is innocent. He can't kill his love.
Yes, officer. Ho, officer. Our Tony is innocent. زمونږ ټوني بېګناه ده. He can't kill his love. هغه نشي کولی خپله مینه ووژني.
This case is very strange. Why is he killing beautiful girls?
This case is very strange. دا کیس ډېر عجیبه ده. Why is he killing beautiful girls? هغه ولې ښایسته جنکیانې وژني؟
We are so scared, officer. Please find that killer as soon as possible.
We are so scared, officer. موږ ډېر ډار شوي یو افیسره. Please find that killer. مهرباني وکړه هغه وژونکی پیدا کړه as soon as possible. څومره چې زر وي او امکان لري.
We will find him. He can't defeat us.
We will find him. موږ به هغه پیدا کړو. He can't defeat us. هغه نشي کولی چې موږ ته ماتې راکړي. defeat ویل کېږي ماتې ورکول.
Can you please open this lockup now?
Can you please open this lockup now? آیا تاسو کولی شئ په مهرباني سره دغه لوکپ خلاص کړئ؟
I am so sorry.
I am so sorry. زه ډیره بخښنه غواړم.
Pull yourself together, Tony. We are with you.
Pull yourself together, Tony. خپل ځان دې سمبال کړه ټوني. We are with you. موږ له تا سره یو.
I lost my love. We were going to tell everyone about us.
I lost my love. ما خپله مینه له لاسه ورکړه. We were going to tell everyone about us. موږ هر چاته ویلي د خپل باره کې. د خپل باره کې موږ هر چاته ویلي وو.
Why did she leave me alone? Aria, come back.
Why did she leave me alone? هغه ولې زه یوازې پرېښودلمه. Alone ویل کېږي یوازې. Aria, come back. Aria بیرته راشه.
I miss Aria. She will live in my heart.
I miss Aria. ما زه Aria یادوم miss کوم. She will live in my heart. هغه به زما په زړه کې اوسېږي. Heart ویل کېږي زړه ته.
Guys, that killer will kill us as well.
Guys, that killer will kill us as well. هغه وژونکی به موږ هم وژني.
He kills beautiful girls. First he killed Rose, then he killed Jenny.
He kills beautiful girls. هغه ښایسته جنکیانې وژني. Beautiful ویل کېږي ښایسته ته. First he killed Rose. لومړی هغه روز وژله. Then he killed Jenny. بیا هغه جیني وژله.
And now, she killed Aria. We also won the beauty competition.
And now also she killed Aria. هغه Aria وژله. We also won the beauty competition. موږ هم دغه د ښایست مقابله ګټلې وه. Competition ویل کېږي مقابلې ته او beauty ویل کېږي ښایست ته.
She is right, guys. Aria was the first winner.
She is right, guys. هغه بالکل صحیح ده. Aria was the first winner. Aria لومړنۍ ګټونکې وه.
I am the second winner. That's me.
I am the second winner. زه دویم ګټونکی یم. That's mean. دې مطلب دا دی.
You are his next target.
You are his next target. ته د هغه راتلونکی ټارګټ د هغه ته یې.
No, no. I don't want to die.
No, نه. I don't want to die. زه نه غواړم چې مړه شمه. Die ویل کېږي مړ کېدل.
I am with you. We have to be brave.
I am with you guys. زه له تاسو سره یم جنکیانو. We have to be brave. موږ باید زړور اوسو. Brave ویل کېږي زړور ته.
Yes. He can't hurt us. We have to make a plan.
Yes, he can't hurt us. هغه نشي کولی چې موږ ته زیان ورسوي. We have to make a plan. موږ باید یو هدف جوړ کړو. Plan ویل کېږي یو هدف.
We will reveal his face.
We will reveal his face. موږ باید د هغه مخ ښکاره کړو. Reveal ویل کېږي ښکاره کول، ظاهره کول.
For sure. We can protect ourselves.
For sure. یقینا. We can protect ourselves. موږ خپل ځانونه ساتلی شو. Protect ویل کېږي ساتلو ته.
See you guys tomorrow.
If you love this video, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and watch this next video. I know you are gonna love it.